Hi, I'm Edisar Balvaera, Facilities and Safety Supervisor, Pollution Control Officer, Certified Energy Manager of Toyotech Philippines Incorporated. We kick off the energy conservation through optimized cooling and energy-efficient air conditioning project in March 2024. Because, let's be honest, after missing Toyotech environmental operational target performance for energy conservation 2 months in a row, in January and February 2024, we knew we had to do something to turn things around. Our goal was simple: reduce electricity consumption and improve energy efficiency across our operations. To find opportunities for improvement, we conducted a review of high energy consuming equipment. One of the biggest culprits, our cooling tower system. The challenge: how do we optimize cooling while using less energy? We found that 17 air conditioner units were relying on one cooling tower dedicated just for ACs, a huge energy drain. Before the project, we had 2 cooling towers, one just for air conditioner, big energy user, one for production machine, still had unused capacity. Our solution: make better use of second cooling tower and switch to more energy efficient air conditioner where possible. Here's what we did. Rerouted 2 air conditioner from production, 2 cooling tower used for machine to ease the load. Replace older water-cooled air conditioner in key areas like meeting rooms and other offices with energy savings model that don't need cooling water. Put the first cooling tower on standby since it's no longer needed as much. This project has led to a 7 to 10% reduction in electricity consumption, helping us lower costs and improve efficiency. It has also put us back on track to meet our environmental energy conservation goal, ensuring we use energy more responsibly. Additionally, we are now fully aligned with the Energy Efficiency and Conservation Act, Republic Act 11285, reinforcing our commitment to sustainability and compliance. At Toyotech, we believe that small, smart changes lead to big, long-term benefits. This project is just one of the many ways we're working toward reducing energy consumption, optimizing resources, and supporting sustainability. Looking ahead, we'll continue to find new ways to improve efficiency, save energy, and contribute to a greener future.